is the part 4 of vlogging. This is me, Nicole.
And this is me, Hana Nia Arbas Consilio.
This is me, Nicole Angela. Si Raza.
Sorry guys,
And
kami
here we are
kami
again for another vlog.
Ayan guys, sorry hindi ko na sabi sa inyo na may part 4 pa. Nagmamadali kasi ako eh.
Guys, abangan niyo yung part 5.
Part 5.
Baka may
Ha?
sa part 5. You know guys, ang tagal na namin. Joke lang.
Tugol mo.
Guys, nung, di ba may, ano na ngayon? May 8? Ay, may 9. May 9 ngayon, guys. Nung May 6. Naku. Birthday ni tito namin, di ba? Hindi na blinag. Sabi ko, doon na kami mag-vlog. Pero ang tanong, pati nung May 7, pumunta siya doon. Tapos sabi ko, mag-vlog na kami. Pero ang sabi niya, wag na, bukas na lang. So, bibig na tayo, please.
Later na. Ayan guys, di ba ang kulit niya talaga?
Gusto ko nabili. Kukulit.
Ayan guys, ito
Ito
nga.
May nagbibenta pang malam.
Hindi ko alam. Ayan guys. Ito na nga guys. Challenge to. Itong part 4 na to nakakaiba. Para masaya-saya naman kayo. Kasi puro naman a day in a life, diba? English for a day. Kung nag-say kami ng Tagalog, sasara ka ng ballpen. Sa mukha?
Ayoko kaya.
Okay guys, saan kayo?
Paano pag may English ako hindi alam? Paano yun?
E di mag-Tagalog ka. No choice ka. Pero guys, mukha namang nakakahiya sa face. Kakaligo lang namin.
Kaya sa hands na lang dito.
Sa dalawang hand. Tingnan mo, magkaiba yung ano.
Kaya nga, hawakan mo to.
Kaiba na yung kulay ko.
Pati akin o.
Di
Dito
ba ang
maputi,
itim?
tapos dito ito maitim.
Ito, oh, di ba? Dahil to sa swimming.
Yan, maputi. Ito, maitim. Ay, ito, maitim.
Kaya, yan. Gumawa kasi.
Sabi ko sakit. Okay. So, start na natin. Pag tumayo kami dito guys, start na.
Okay guys,
So, the game starts now.
and there's no all time.
What? There's no outcome. Wait, I have to tell you something. Wait lang guys, hindi pa start. Wait tayo muna. Paano pag
Hindi pa start?
hindi
Sabi
pa
pa start na.
Joke lang. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, paano pag may sinasabi si Tita Tate, tapos
Doon tayo.
English tayo. Doon tayo bago.
Mapapasubok ako dito.
Tapos pag magkakong kasi tinura mo na magtatanong. Oh.
Papasubok na ako dito mag-English ka.
Hindi ka putang Bagyo. Ah,
Ano?
yung ba ito yung taga Bagyo?
Hindi to yung taga-Bagyo, si Ate Nicole to. Sorry guys. Huwag niyo na lang kasi. Magkaiba na lang kasi kami.
Sino ang taga-Bagyo na color mo?
Si Catrice.
Ay?
Hindi mo naman siya kamukha. Mas maliit ka pa.
Para mas matanda.
Oo, mag-11 na yun.
Ano?
11. Nagulit siya.
Eh, di, grade 5 na sana siya ngayon.
Basta tanda ko. Napapasubok ako dito mag-English ah. Ay, ito guys. Kaya ko to ginawa kasi nagpa-practice ulit ako mag-English.
Pumunta siya Manila.
Mapapasubok na naman ako sa atin ko guys eh. Tignan niyo. Tignan niyo yung ilong ko. Ang itim dito. Ang itim ko. Parang lang naman na. Tignan niyo. Ang itim dito. Ang puti dito sa ano.
Wait.
Buto.
Kasi, pag kanya'y matangos. Ang pangit ako matangos ako.
Ba't gusto nilang matangos? Ang pangit-pangit oh.
Parang yung ilong niya eh, parang nagiging ganito oh. Malaki. Tapos,
Wala kami sa
Tapos
pupa
sinabi-
today.
nasa Balasain ako pumunta dito Kadensyo. Ito. Ano pag sinabi natin, Ora? Feeling, nag-i-English. Sabi niya. Ang tanong.
Gano'n naman dito.
Start now!
Talaga ako dito ah.
You say something.
No, that's only the...
That's the
No!
start!
Okay. It's not start yet. It's not start if I don't have the pen.
Where's the pen, bro?
That's why I'm gonna get this camera. I'm gonna get this camera and you wait there. Guys, I'm gonna English. That... No, that's not work now. Okay, guys. I'm practicing to English because going to Manila in May 13. That's why, yeah, have my time. This is the pen.
That's the pen?
Yeah.
That's the freaking pen?
Oh my God, bro! It's not started. Okay,
Shut up, dude. Wait.
hold this. Gonna go
Wait.
somewhere, okay? Yahoo!
Oh my God!
Yan.
Naglalaro kami ng ganito. Ay, naglalaro ako. Ako lang. First one.
I'm playing na guys.
Oh my God, I cannot control because my right hand is holding the phone.
My God, guys.
Swear! Oh my God! I cannot hold it. Nag-start na ba? Pati naman ikaw. Bro, pati ikaw, bro.
It's already started.
Nagsabi ka ng Tagalog kanina.
But
Ay, eto guys, hindi ko pa pala ito nasasabi sa inyo na may 3 chance kami. Ikaw, yung sabi kong start. Eh, nagsalita ka pa. Ay, sige. Hindi pa
I
start.
guess when you speak a lot of Tagalog, you're gonna have a lot.
No.
Yeah.
I have a 3 chance. 3 or 5.
No chances. No 5 chances. Only 1 chance now.
Please do.
Okay, 2. But you already said 1.
Huh? Not
Yes.
yet.
You already said Tagalog.
You too.
But
Hold it.
guys, she's so
You're mean.
and she's annoying, guys. It's already started and she just said Tagalog.
You don't say.
Only 1. I'm gonna have 1 too. I'm gonna have 1 too.
I'm just have 1.
I'm just gonna have 1.
Me too. Ako na.
I use this eyeliner. Eyeliner? No! Joke.
I'm gonna do heart.
Dapat.
Pwede.
Oh my god. Bro, it's hard.
Yeah, this is so hard.
That's mine, bro!
Let's go. Let's go.
We're gonna go buy, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna bring this pen.
I have a 2 heart
Only
in my hand, and she have 1 in her hand.
This is gonna be so hard.
Let's go buy 2 pan.
Is it only 8 pesos, Dad?
Yeah. It's only 8 pesos, but
It's mini.
it's a mini one. We're gonna buy, okay? That far. That far. We're gonna buy.
Let's see the London Skylock.
Yeah, but wait.
No saying bad words. 2. Okay, guys?
What the fuck? Just kidding, ba?
But only English.
Wait lang. Mayroon akong hindi nasasabi sa inyo, pero stop muna. Stop din muna tayo dito. So dito. Kahit okay lang, wala nang chances. Kung nagsalita ng Tagalog, basta lagyan lang ang kamay. You know that?
Because, wait. Because,
Pwede ka mag-Tagalog,
okay.
be.
Kasi guys, na-inspired to kila Sabi and Sofia. Dapat kasi sa muka talaga, ayaw niya talaga sa muka. Eh di wala na akong chance. Kamay na lang.
Tapos, guys, wait lang. Hindi pa kasi tapos. Pinayagan ka ba?
Ano?
Let's go. Start now!
Bro, wait!
There's a dog. Scared of
Even
dog.
there!
Of that freaking dog. I'm scared of dog. Where's Princess?
Oh my god, there's a dog there!
Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a dog. I'm gonna run.
He speaks Tagalog!
Sige, yun. She speak Tagalog, guys. It's a heart. It's a heart.
That is
Do you have
chasing
an
us.
umbrella? Do you have a...
Sure,
Do you have...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh WTF?
Oh my god.
WTF?
Do you have an umbrella? Yeah. Get your umbrella.
WTF?
I'm gonna wait for you.
Oh my god. WTF is a bulldog.
Okay, lagyan mo lang ako ng mark. Dito tayo daan na lang. Baka may aso dyan. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, give me a mark. It's heart, okay? I said heart!
It's supposed to be.
I said heart. Guys, OMG. Get your umbrella. Oh my god. You didn't say there's a dog.
I already said this.
But not that dog.
Is there a payong there? because it's raining outside. Where's my Elsa?
Andun sa kwarto, yung payong.
This or this?
Sige, tricycle ha. Ito.
Akin na. Oh! My God, what happened? Step them over that your papa had. Nope. It's not even here. She just where's your dad? Where's your dad? I said Tagalog. I said Indian. Oh my God! I'm gonna put a mark to your hand. I want a hand tattoo. No, just put a heart, not a line. It's a line. I hate line. You're supposed to. Maybe when it's closed, what are we gonna do? I don't know. There's a dog in there. We run like we're Flash. There's a dog here too. You didn't know there? No. And there's a dog there. No. Hey, you see a dog, but you know I have a story. What? Kahit lagyan mo na ako ng mark. Magta-Tagalog ako kasi. Yung story ko, Tagalog. Marami ba? Before? No. Only a mark. Okay. Ito, story time. Guys, nilagyan na ako ng mark. Ito. Alam mo yung bahay na dyan? Basta, ditong bahay na to. Dito sa mga bahay-bahay na to. Diyan sa papunta dito. Basta, doon banda yun. Hindi ko kasi makan yung bahay na yun. Malayo eh. Balsa Indin. Doon sana yung bahay nila inang ko, yung mama ng papa ko. At they're not close. Doon sana nakatira sila papa ngayon. Lupa daw kasi nila ni inang yun. May bumili, yun. Lupa sana daw nila yun may bumili. So that's my story and I will begin to speak English. That is the sad story. Ngani! Uy! You speak Tagalog. That's not Tagalog. Yeah, it's Tagalog. 2 marks. Wait, 2. I said ngani. That's not English. But I say many times. Just 1. 2! 1. Okay, 2. Here. Oh my God, there's a dog. There's a WF. Like, what the fuck? And there's a dog there too. Oh my God, Mama. Wait. How do you say Ayun guys. Stay away.
W, W, T, T, F, F. What the fuck? Oh my god. Get away. Push. Oh my god, I'm scared, bro. We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy. There. I think that's
Gonna
not
buy.
gonna buy.
That's gonna bite. That's bite.
Just don't run, bro. Don't. Oh no, she's following us. She's following us. Oh my god, she's following us. Don't run, I said. It's following us, dude. How's nila Rachel yun, no? Yeah. How's nila Rachel yun, no?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Who are you? Who are you? Oh my god.
Did you know that Marjorie was allegedly the mastermind behind the pancakes? Well, unfortunately for the FBI, William can't answer to the question.
Ow,
Because in about a
wait.
year, no more information out of it, which is a bummer for this investigation.
Oh
But
my
then,
God,
about
Tagalog
6
ako.
months after getting sent
Hala,
to prison,
nagtagalog
Marjorie
ako.
suddenly decides she wants to
Hala,
cooperate with the FBI, thinking maybe they'll lighten her sentence or transfer her to a minimum security prison. So she sits down with the FBI and she admits to them that she was actually
Susulatan
involved in the
talaga kita.
Colorado plot,
Susulatan
and that
talaga.
her former boyfriend, the one she's unalived, knew about the car bomb and he threatened to
Sulatan
snitch on her.
talaga.
That's why she said she unalived him and had William put him in the freezer. But then, to make this even more confusing, the FBI suddenly gets a random tip about another guy involved in the bomb plot. This guy, Barnes. Now, Barnes, he's already in prison for an unrelated drug charge. So the FBI goes to the prison and they interview him. And he admits that yes, he actually was involved in the collar bomb plot. But he says that William, the guy who died of cancer, was actually the mastermind behind the whole thing, not Marjorie. He says William was really the one who sat down and constructed the whole collar bomb and he built the shotgun cane thing himself. He was handling that. So Barnes, he pleads guilty to his involvement in the plot and he gets 35 years in prison. But then, a couple of years into his sentence, Barnes changes his story. And he tells the FBI that while William did build the collar bomb device, he wasn't actually the mastermind. Instead, it was Marjorie the whole time. She was the mastermind. He says Marjorie came up with this whole collar bomb plan to rob the bank for $250,000. And that she wanted that $250,000 so that she could use it to...
Do you want a Fanta?
No.
Here.
No.
Here.
Pili pa naman.
Ikaw mapili. Ikaw na.
Ice cream na lang. Oo.
Bawal din ako. Bawal ako. Bawal ako.
Ano ba pwede
Ba't ba topic? Kasi... Why? I'm fine.
Pili na. Mono na lang. Ano ba yung pili?
Yan o. Ang gulo mo, ikaw na lang. 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 Alam ka na. Siyang ka na. Pili. You want this? Magkano? That's right.
And that she wanted that $250,000, so...
Pistachio na lang.
Pistachio na. No. No, 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 no. No.
Pistachio na lang kasi.
Pero 50 lang.
Isa lang. Hindi isa lang. Ganyan ko na. You want this? Nako kasi. Oh, try ko. Ito. Yes. Never. Ano? Dalawa na. Yan na. Dalawa na.
Dalawa na.
Yan na.
Isa kayo.
Dalawa Ah! Ito pa.
Ang dami
Asan
na
na ba? Ang dami natin sinabing Tagalog. Guys, I think cancel yung... Uy, get your phone!
No, I have a lot of things.
Here. Ang tanong, may pera ka pa ba para pag nagutom tayo mamaya magkakaroon ng lapan? Parang unti pa ng laman. Marami niya naman, sabi ko. Bakit? Bakit tayo mo marami? Bilisan na nga natin habang hindi pa lumalakas. I hate you. Bilisan na natin, takbo na lang. Takbo na lang tayo. Wanna run? There's a dog. You wanna run? Okay, fine. Run. Wait. Let's wait. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god! You are having a lot of troubles. Yung kono na lang kasi. Pabalik pa tayo doon, may aso na nga. Yung kono na lang. Hindi mo sinabi na may aso pala doon. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Shit, then. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. Ah, shut up. Shut up. We're having a... Marami na akong ano. Tagalog. Hindi ko nabilang sa akin. Ay! Basa pa yung kamay ko. Wait, I'm not done yet. So guys, may kono dun. Ano una natin I want to eat kono kasi. Me too. When you go here again, we're gonna buy kono. But there's no mini kono. There's a big one. There's the mini. There's a mini, but it's not chocolate. I love chocolate. I want that the little one. Ano una natin kakainin? I have, how much money do I have? Have coins. How many is that? Maybe buy candy later. So, I don't. 20, 30, 40. There are 40 pesos. Oh my god. I think guys, cancel na yung English for a day. No! We're not gonna cancel. Because it's for a day. Doon tayo. No. Please. Ito unang kainin. Okay guys. Ito yung unang kainin pang later na natin. Ay, yun na lang pala. Yun na lang. Going on your face. And hey, you say Tagalog later. Oh my god. We're gonna pang later.
Dapat matiksikan aja sabi mo babasit si Kubo. Tapos nung mga sila ng pangato. Dapat bigyan ng mga kasta, mga kasta.
Guys, I think there's a mosquito. Guys, I think we canceled the English challenge. But I'm gonna speak English. Me too. If I don't know, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. If we're gonna do this again in part 5. Hi. We're gonna do this in part 5. Okay? Huh? Why? Why? About me? Huh? What did I do?
Kuya, meron bang yung tuluan ng gutter doon, meron di ba? Sa taas, nito.
Talagang ito, kahit naramdaman nasapa, kaya na bakugan ko lagi bang kanya ni bakugan isais, nabigyan ni bawa, ano na, masalba naman ni puluan kaya
Guys, sorry. This is not even not nice vlog, but we're gonna do this again in the part 5 when I go. I know one thing. We are not gonna speak for we are not gonna speak until hindi tayo magsasalita kung wow, we stopped the challenge, right? We stopped the challenge. What challenge? That's just a subject.
Just a prank. Joke. Joke. We're gonna do this again in part 5. Yeah, guys. We're gonna do this in part 5. Kailan pa? Maybe on June. Kapasukan ka na nga ulit. I'm gonna absent on the first day. But guys, I'm gonna go to Ate Nicole when, yeah, you know, on Saturday. I'm gonna message June. Guys, abangan nyo pala yung vlog ko sa Manila, a day in a life. With my friend. It's different. You're my best friend, and she's my friend. That's the same. Friend, best friend, best. It's the same one. No, just put a best. No, it's best friend. It's just a friend. I'm not even close to her. I'm not even close to her. They're vlogging without us. Without us. Guys, please mag-comment kayo. Ang sarap. Alam kong bibili pa tayo. Hindi ko na buksan na natin yung isa. That's okay. Wait for us, guys. No. Guys, I'm gonna throw this away from this. Ow. Ay, sorry na shirt lang ko. Joke lang guys, a day in a life lang doon sa Manila. Abangan nyo sa May 14. Abangan nyo guys ng umaga kung anong mga ginagawa ko. Guys, may Kono mini crunch dun pero hindi siya bumili. Hindi kami bumili. Kasi ayaw niya eh. Bakit kasi ayaw mo nun? It's too sweet. Hindi siya matamis yung Kono, hindi siya masyadong matamis. Natikman ko na. Natikman ko na rin yun. Ako halos na unang nakatitig sa'yo. Diba noon pinatikim kita bumili ako? Hindi, yun yung Kono, yung isang brand yun. Ay, Kono. Yung Momon. Ay? Hindi din yung Kono. Ako lang nakatikim ng Kono.
Dalang-dali ko yun.
Well, naipon. Pero din tabak di kalman tinagpositin. Sinukit ko.
Dalang-dali ka.
Guys, ang sarap ng tinapay na nito.
Hindi ko gamit pa ko kung mati ka rin eh. Bakit kayo pa?
Poste.
Hindi. kakasgan. Di kaligaw ko ti tamde.
Wait. That's unfair. It's mine. Oh. No. No, kasi nga. No, it's not bleeding. Like, hi, You should just, That's so bad. Hmm? When I go there again, I'm gonna buy the big coat. That hurts so bad. Am I gonna have that all? Just that's it too. That's yours. You eat one, you eat one. Yun yung hato ko. Kanina. Bakit kayo gano'n? Ang dami ko naman. Ako bumili niyan. Daya man. Kaya nga lang nauna siya. Laki
Huli ka sa nana.
Mm-mm.
Abay na huli ni.
Hindi, makalaki lang. Lollipop. I don't have it. It's hot. Hi guys, and ito guys, ito lang ako. You're always on my mind, there's so much you care. Let's go. Hi guys, and bye-bye guys. Abangan nyo na lang yung part 5. See you on May 14. Bye-bye guys. Kasi a day in a life ako sa May 14 ka. Abangan nyo yun. Kasama ko ang ading ko. Papakita ko kung anong ginagawa ko din sa Manila. And yun guys. Bye-bye.